Hey man, look, your boy ain't filmed a video in a minute. I've been big slacking, but let me let my chill, cause I'm tripping. Let me chill, get right. What's up with y'all, man? It's your boy Big J97. You know what I'm saying? I got a little light situation going on. We got some new lights, so I'm hoping this make the videos look a little more crisper than they is now, you feel me? But we back again with some more ohmies, and I got 2 more pair on the way. But and there's 1 more pair I gotta film that I haven't filmed because I ain't put a video up in a while. But you can see by the colors on the box, give you an idea of what the shoe is. Let me show y'all. You see it, you know what I'm saying? Size 13 as always, the hardest size to get. If you know, you know. We're gonna get right into it though, man. We're gonna get right into it, and then I'm gonna knock a couple more videos out after this one, man. You know, I'm trying to get back to it. I had a slow down, but I'm coming back. I'm coming back, y'all. I already know, if you know, the dust bag with the shoelace tip. Dust bag with the shoelace tip. Hidden. Here we go, man. Straight to it, man. See the light hitting off them paddings, you feel me? Look at the light hitting off them paddings, man. I think he called these the Uptowns. The light hitting off them joints, man. Ooh. Yeah, you feel me? The orange with the blue. This right up my alley, bro. I love some bright shit. And like I said, look at the light hitting off them bitches, man. Ooh. Let's get the other one out. They got the orange laces in. I ain't gonna lie, I might leave them orange laces in. You know I be one lace, but I might leave both of them in. Of course you got your blue ones. For everybody who want the blue ones, come with your blue ones. That's it for the box. As always, on me on this side. Reload it on this side. Alright. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave the these in. I'm gonna leave the oranges in. Bro, it's so bright, man. I love it, man. So bright, I love it. I don't know why they don't change the insoles, but I ain't tripping. Shit, it usually always be the same insole. Get y'all a nice look at these joints, man. Yeah, that light is definitely doing us some justice. You feel me? Need to reload it. The light is definitely doing us some justice. New silhouette coming out too, man. Can't wait for the new silhouette. Yep, inside. I love these patent leather joints too. Like, I've been buying every patent leather pair that didn't drop, like, and I got 2 more on the way. Like I said, I'm fucking around, have a collection over here, man. I buy ohmies like I buy Yeezys. You feel me? I ain't unboxing no Yeezys in a minute though, but I got plenty of them. I ain't showed on video. I might have to do a little video of that. But man, look at these, bro. Orange on the inside. You already know the ohmy. Orange on the tongue. You know the back tab. Orange little ohmy skeleton right there. Hard to get them. Hard to get them. Yeah, I might. Hold up, man. We're gonna have to throw the laces in one of these joints to see how the orange look going all the way up it, because I might just leave both of these orange. I know I usually, like I say, I usually alternate them, like when they give you 2 laces, put one of each in, but I might just both orange on this one. I ain't gonna lie, kind of fucking with the orange. There's some different shit, man. Different colorways, man. Different colorways, man. Let's lace one of these up real quick. Like I say, I might just fuck with the orange. So I'm fucking with the orange. I got some more tech shit coming too, man. Tech videos on the way, for sure, for sure. Tech and sneakers on the way. Vlog channel on the way. You know what I'm saying? I drive trucks, so be vlogging that shit every day. Vlog channel on the way. You dig? I don't know, bro. I just like recording videos. It's just sometimes I don't be having the time, man. I be so on the fucking go. I be so on the go, I don't have the time. We gonna get it right though. Just know the video's gonna come, you feel me? Just know they gonna come. We ain't gonna do but one though, cause I ain't gonna stretch this shit out too much. It ain't gonna be no super long video. Be on the shorter end of things. I can't remember where I be stopping lacing at. I think it's the whole after though. Yeah, it's gonna be on the shorter end. Quick, straight to it vid, man. And yeah, I know if a lot of y'all wondering like where you get these, man, just go to Reloaded Merch on IG and click the link in the bio. You gotta be quick though. Gotta be quick. Gotta be quick, cause them colors be flying off the shelf. Yeah, them hard with the orange. I'm staying orange laces. Yeah, I'm staying orange laces. Yeah, them going dumb. Look at them like that. Them going dumb. Them going dumb. I'm gonna have to do another video on my Omi collection. When I get the other 2 pair in, I'll be at like 8 or 9 pair. When I get the other 2 pair in, definitely doing the Omi collection vid. But bro, these are stupid. I don't know what I could rock these joints with, but these motherfuckers cold. What other patent I got that out of film? I'm not too sure. Let me check the channel real quick. Cause I know like I say, I be getting all the patents, but I don't remember which ones I have and which ones I filmed and which ones I haven't filmed. I can check real quick though. Yeah, so I got 3 of these vids coming. I got 3 Omis coming. I did these Hamptons just now. I still got the Uptown video. I got the cookies in the other week. I don't even think I wore those yet. Not sure. But I got the cookies, the Uptowns, the Hamptons. I got some coat shit on the way. I got the Cowboys.
Motion detected at the front door.
Excuse Alexa. And some more shit on the way. But hella sneaker videos coming, man. If y'all like these, like I say, go hit their IG, man. Go hit Reloaded Merch IG. Link in the bio. You might could get you a pair if they still got your size. If not, you know what I'm saying, be watching for the next drop, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? Have your money right. And you can get in the game. Have your money right and you can get in the game, my boy. To the next video, man. This your boy Big J 97. I'm out. I'ma holler at y'all. Like if you want to, comment if you want to, because at the end of the day, you gonna do what the fuck you want to do. Oh yeah, subscribe if you want to. You know what I'm saying? Only if you want to though. If you fuck with the content, you fuck with me, subscribe for your boy, man. All numbers count. You know what I'm saying? Even if you don't subscribe, a like count, a comment count. All support is appreciated. Even a view. You feel me? Just a view. Well, hey, I'ma holler at y'all on the next video. Big J 97, man. I'm out.